Biogeochemical cycle, nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is the process by which the nitrogen is converted between its various chemical forms, and this transformation is carried through both biological and physical process. The biogeochemical cycle is a natural process in which the elements are continuously cycled in various forms between different compartments of the environment. It may be through air, it may be through water, it may be through soil, or it may be through some of the organisms. The examples of biogeochemical cycle includes the carbon cycle, the nitrogen cycle, the phosphorus cycle. These are considered to be the nutrient cycle and the water cycle. The nitrogen cycle forms the nitrogen from various forms, that is through organic nitrogen, ammonium, nitrate, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, inorganic nitrogen as nitrogen gas. The nitrogen cycle consisting of the following step. One is the nitrogen fixation, the second one is nitrogen assimilation, the third one aminification, the fourth one is nitrification, and the fifth one is denitrification and sedimentation. The nitrogen fixation. How the nitrogen fixation is done in the nitrogen cycle. So here what happens is the free nitrogen of the atmosphere into the biological acceptable form of nitrogenous compound. There are following ways to convert nitrogen into more chemically reactive forms through biological nitrogen fixation, physicochemical nitrogen fixation, and industrial nitrogen fixation. The biological nitrogen fixation, some of the symbiotic bacteria, blue-green algae, and some free-living bacteria are able to fix the nitrogen as organic nitrogen. The symbiotic bacteria is Rhizobium, symbiotic blue-green alga, species of nostoc, Anabaena, etc. And the free-living bacteria like Azobacteria, Clostridium, Drexia, Rhodospirillum, etc. The physical, chemical or non-biological nitrogen fixation, in this process the atmospheric nitrogen which combines with the oxygen during lightning or through the electrical discharges in the cloud and produces different nitrogen oxide. So this is also one way of fixing the nitrogen in the atmosphere. Next is the nitrogen assimilation. So in this process the inorganic nitrogen in the form of nitrates and ammonia is absorbed by the green plants via the roots, and then it is converted into nitrogenous or organic compounds. These nitrates are first converted to ammonia, and which combines with organic acid to form amino acids. These amino acids are used to synthesize the protein, enzyme, chlorophyll, nucleic acid, etc. The third step is aminification. It is the process of releasing ammonia by certain microorganisms utilizing organic compounds that is derived from the dead organic remains of plants and animals and excreta of animals. That is what is called as aminification. So the main microorganisms that is involved in the process of aminification is Actinomycetes and Bacillus. The next step is nitrification. It is a process of enzymatic oxidation of ammonia to nitrate by certain microorganisms in the soil and ocean. The nitrosomus ammonia to nitrate, nitrobacter oxidation of nitrates into nitrates. So denitrification means is the reduction of nitrates back into largely inert nitrogen gas. This is done by another bacteria, that is Thiobacillus denitrificans, Micrococcus denitrificans, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So the step that is involved in the process of nitrogen fixation, you know, the 78% of atmosphere constitute the nitrogen, but that cannot be taken directly by the organisms. Instead, it has to be taken in the form of a food that is found in amino acids, protein food. So what happens in atmospheric nitrogen? So the nitrogen fixing bacteria living in the legume root nodules, they help in converting the fixing the nitrogen fixing bacteria, soil bacteria. Through the process of aminification, it is converted into ammonium, and by nitrifying bacteria, through the process of nitrification, it is converted into nitrates, and by that is nitrifying bacteria, it is converted into nitrate, and it cannot enter directly into the atmosphere. But after the death of the plants and animals, and through the decomposers or denitrifying bacteria, it enters into the atmosphere. In the next picture, if you see, the nitrogen in the atmosphere through nitrogen fixation, that is nitrogen fixing bacteria, it is converted into ammonia through the process ammonia, and through the process of nitrification is converted into nitrate, and that is done through nitrifying bacteria, and through nitrification it is converted into nitrate, and the assimilation, through the process of assimilation, absorption of nitrate in the plant, and when the death and decay of the animals, when the death of the animals or the plant occurs, and this is decomposed by decomposers, and with the help of denitrifying bacteria, by the process of denitrification, it enters into the atmosphere. So this is how the nitrogen is recycled from the atmosphere in the atmosphere.